नो आई मीन ऑफ कोर्स दुनिया घूम के आ जाओ, लेकिन लंदन देखा, पेरिस देखा और देखा जापान, बट ये मेरा इंडिया, आई लव माई इंडिया। नशे सी चढ़ गई ओए, लेकिन उसकी बात नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि आज है यू एंड मी का लॉन्च, उसकी बात करते हैं। यार देखिए, उन्होंने पिक्चर देखी है और हमें सर्टिफिकेट भी दे दिया, यूए। क्या बात है, तालियां, सर्टिफिकेट हाथ में आ गया जी, बड़ी खुशी की बात है। लड्डू बांटेंगे हम बाद में, बाहर कैलोरी कॉन्शियस के लिए, बिना घी के लड्डू।
How do you feel about stepping into Shahrukh territory so far as Adi is concerned? Very cliched question, but please answer.
I mean, I am the least territorial person. I am not stepping into anyone's territory. I am just taking things as they come. You know, Adi sir was very clear from the very beginning when he conceptualized this film that he wanted to make it with me. I think he had spoken to me even before he started the scripting. So I've been a part of this film from the initial stages of the process. And I'm really happy and proud that my mentor selected me to be a part of this film.
इतनी kisses करने के बाद फैमिली और गर्लफ्रेंड का कुछ खास रिएक्शन?
यार बात ये है कि जैसे कि मैंने आपको पहले ही रिस्पॉन्स दिया था कि इस फिल्म में जो किसेस हैं वो दे फुल ऑफ लव एंड फुल ऑफ वार्मथ, यू नो। तो आई थिंक anybody who's intelligent enough at a very basic level is understanding and cognizant of that. जैसे कि अगर आप लबों का कारोबार देखें तो you know there are many different kinds of kisses and they're full of that feeling of love. आपको ऐसे नहीं ऐसे nobody will cringe when they watch it, and I guess that's why you've got a UA certificate यार. family friends क्या बोलेंगे, मैंने तो UA फिल्म की है, कमाल है।
आपकी गर्लफ्रेंड भी है? हाँ?
हाँ जी,
आपकी गर्लफ्रेंड है?
मतलब
मैंने आपको क्या सवाल पूछा था?
मैंने क्या कहा था, फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स, फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स। मैडम मैं 6 साल काम किया, मैं एक्सपर्ट हो गया हूँ, कमाल है यार।
You've repeatedly said, referred to kissing as warmth. Why have you not directly said it was hot? And what is the difference between warmth and hot? Kiss being hot.
I mean, like I said, there are different kinds of kisses. When it's a hot kiss,
When do you take an opportunity of the hot kiss?
when do I take the opportunity of a hot kiss? I've done every kind of kiss that there is to do, and I'm sure there are a lot many more, but I've done my fair share of kissing on screen. These kisses, perhaps you could not count as the hot and sexy kisses. You know, I've done those. I mean, you've seen that song, right? अंग लगा दे, वो भी खेला है मैडम।
Okay.
So yeah, I mean that there is a situation for every kiss. There's a certain feeling attached to every act of kissing. That of course was a very hot and sexy, passionate kiss, and these kisses are a little bit more full of that feeling of love and warmth.
And also with somebody special, that kiss.
Which kiss?
अंग लगा दे वाली.
If you say so.
आपने 22 इतने किसिंग सीन दिए हैं फिल्म में,
सिर्फ 22 है क्या?
तो आपको
23?
इमरान हाशमी पार्ट 2 का टैग लगेगा, ऐसा लग रहा है आपको?
नहीं सर, मैं किसी का पार्ट 2 नहीं बनना चाहता, मैं सिर्फ रणवीर बनना चाहता हूँ। Imran Hashmi is, according to me, an unexplored artist. He has so much left in him, left to explore, and with the right opportunity, I'm sure he's going to show everybody that he's much more than just this reputation of kissing. That's incredible, man. मैंने देखा है, पता है ये मैंने देखा ये ट्विटर पे कुछ कई साल महीने हो गए ना इसको।
अभी ये जो गाना हम लोगों ने देखा उसकी शुरुआत में हम लोग ताला बांधते हैं कि हम लोग कभी प्यार में नहीं पड़ेंगे, तो तो ये जो रिलेशनशिप हो लेकिन प्यार नहीं हो, इस किस्म के रिलेशनशिप में मतलब एक ये बेफिक्रेपन जो है, इससे कितना रिलेट करते हैं आप दोनों?
क्या था वो? नो टैग्स, नो
कि हम कभी
See, a romantic relationship has many layers, right? And I think what essentially they're trying to say is that don't put it in a box, don't give it a tag. It is what it is. There is a tectonic shift, in my humble opinion, when it comes to romantic relationships as far as young people of today are concerned. There's a generational shift, the way they look at romantic relationships and the decisions they make and the way they go about themselves in the realm of being in a romantic relationship is very different from what it used to be. And it holds true for young people across the world. It's not just the Indian youth. It's young people across the world are very sure about themselves, and there has been a change. I mean, like there were members of our directorial team, all youngsters, and interacting with them, all 19 years old, 18 years old, 20 years old, and interacting with them, you get to understand how much more liberal they are in their outlook when it comes to romantic relationships. So that was another learning for me that I got from Befikre and from interacting with so many young people who were working on the film.
Also, Shah Rukh Khan, also Shah Rukh Khan recently on Coffee with Karan said that if the underwear that you're wearing in the movie is not a padded one, he's a fan. How do you react?
लाल चड्डी इसका जवाब मैंने कॉफी विद करण पे दिया है आज सवेरे. आप एपिसोड के लिए वेट कीजिएगा. No, I think I'm very comfortable in my own body. I'm quite besharam that way. See, the thing is, to be honest, for me, physical nudity means nothing. For me as an actor, what I'm doing is letting you into a much more intimate part of me. From Adi's point of view, obviously, because he's never gonna meet you to answer this question on his own, so I will be his mouthpiece then. But I need both my hands, so Vani, you'll have to hold the mic. Okay? The thing is, I started writing this film thinking that somebody else will direct it. But at some point I thought to myself, yaar, nahi, ye main hi direct kar sakta hu. So yeah, that was a little sneak peek into the man you've never met. But yeah, I think that is the truth of the matter. He went and he wrote this. He had this idea and he put pen to paper and he started writing it, thinking that he would pass the script on to someone else to direct. But halfway through writing, he was like, "Man, I have a very distinct vision for this film, which I think only I'll be able to execute. So I'll direct this film." Hello, क्या कर रहे तू मार्च में? Ready. Picture शुरू.
For more Bollywood updates, subscribe now to youtube.com/biscuittv.